Anyone who touches this video in the next 72 hours is going to receive a massive blessing in their life. So make sure you're subscribed and also bookmark this video for later so you can come back to the video and let us know the amazing results that unfold. There's going to be a synchronistic sign first that we need to see that's coming into your life. You're either going to see a feather, you're going to see 999, or a coin in the next 72 hours if this video is for you. 3, 2, 1, let's see what it's going to be. Here it is, a feather. So in the next 72 hours, you're going to see a feather if this video is for you, and it's a synchronistic sign. Comment the word below, feather, to already get initiated to feel into this feather is now mine, so you're claiming it. Now, we're also going to increase the probability that a certain amount of money is increasing in your life. 2x, 3x, or 5x the amount. As I'm shuffling here, remember to throw a like on the video to claim if you're okay with receiving more money in your life as soon as possible. 3, 2, 1, here it goes. Perfect. We're going to start to increase the probability that 3x the money is coming into your life. In a separate comment below, go ahead and write down 3x money. Remember, money is an energy. And for me, when I was at a very low spot in my life, I was living in an air mattress in California, and I was like, I need 10K a month, I need 20K a month, I want to start changing my life. I literally went from nothing to even having $100,000 per month coming in at certain levels of my successful business and career based on my money mindset and inspired actions. Because money's an energy, and you and I are energy forms. So if I can help you change timelines, and I can help you realize that the world you're living in is the matrix, it's a hologram. So anything that you are in harmony with is going to be mirrored back to you by the universal consciousness. So every time you sit down and you're like, I'm going to go ahead and visualize money, I'm going to visualize something coming in my life, it's not make-believe and daydreaming. What's really going on is whenever you see in your mind, think of the universal all-originating substance behind it, it's mirroring back exactly what you see and feel to be true in your life. So if we can start to feel that 3x the amount of money is coming into your life, that you bring in money effortlessly, money poofs out of thin air for you, things happen so fast for you in terms of money, and we start to feel into that as being truthful in your life, that's what you're going to start to see. So go ahead and comment below 3x the money. And now also, doing the exercise we're doing right now works. But to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84-module system. It takes 5 minutes a day, and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our soul tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside. There's going to be a very important message that you're going to need after this video and after you see the sign over the next 72 hours. So let's go ahead and see what that is. 3, 2, 1, here it goes. Perfect. Stop waiting. Take action right now on your desires. So especially in manifesting law of attraction circles, a lot of people are waiting, right? They're like, oh, I know it's so close. I know it's about to happen, right? And so they're waiting, but what happens is, think about that mirror that we just talked about. If I am telling the universe it's not here, the universe delivers more evidence it's not here. So even if you're like, universe, where is it? I want it so badly. It doesn't respond to what you say, it responds to what you mean. And so if I'm saying, universe, I want it, I crave it, why can't it already happen now? What I'm truly saying is, it's not here, it's not here, it's not here. And the universal consciousness reflects back that same idea. It's not here, it's not here, it's not here. So it's not tormenting you, it's not trying to not have results show up. In fact, it doesn't care if results show up. It's immoral. It doesn't matter about whether you're a good person or a bad person. It doesn't matter how long you've been trying. It just merely responds to what's going on. So stop waiting. That's the message for you today as well. Go ahead and comment below the words action. 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 Go ahead and ensure yourself that says, I'm going to stop waiting. Now, action doesn't mean effort. It doesn't mean hard work. And it doesn't mean grinding and hustling. It just means, what do I know I need to do today that I've been prolonging? Maybe I've been needing to have that conversation with that person. Maybe I've been needing to reach out. Maybe I've been needing to do that new marketing plan in my business. Maybe I've been needing that new job and I need to start sending out my resumes or even get a resume in the first place because I know I want something different. I've always wanted to win the lottery. Well, tonight I'm going to go buy a ticket. That's what we're talking about. Inspired action. Action that produces a result. They're high impact actions. They're not the little things. I need to go get the laundry done. I need to go to the store and get the groceries. Those are little minor actions, part of life. We're talking about go take action on something big. As you're doing so, stay in harmony with one mantra. Okay, your one mantra could be, my mind is a center of divine operation. That's a quote from Thomas Troward. Or it could be from Abraham Hicks. Everything is always working out perfectly for me. Or it could be around to money. Money always comes to me in larger quantities every single day. Find something that you can focus your mind on and keep your mind centered on that exact mantra, okay? So now we are moving forward. You're seeing the sign. You have 3x the money coming in. You're going to see the sign moving forward and allowing yourself to take swift action now. If you haven't already, share this video with somebody who needs to hear this sign as well and find the sign with them. Look for the sign. Have you and them start partnering up and co-creating a 3x money gain. Both of you stay accountable to taking some action, right, in that same way and allowing yourself to move forward. As you're starting to do this, it's going to really start to kick into high gear exactly that you are living in this hologram. Money can change as you change. And as you lift yourself into a prosperity consciousness like I did for myself, things can start to move in your life. Haug signing off here. I look forward to seeing you over in the next video.